a guy who comes into your life, but he's not seen Musafir Cafe.
Bro, I mean, come on. ये क्या बात हुई? You have to see everything that I've done.
Everything.
No, that's self-obsession.
ठीक है.
But Musafir देख ले यार.
Yeah, that's.
देखो, you'll fall in love with me. I guarantee you.
Tell me about all the three characters. Red flag कौन था, green flag कौन था? कि
सारे
सभी-
grey flag.
हमारे पास grey flag है ही नहीं.
Grey flag. I think I'll put both the
Okay,
flags
हाँ.
and I'll tell you why because हर कोई चाहे वो सुधा हो, चंदर हो, प्रीति हो, सब अपनी जगह पर सही है. ये तो situations है.
The guy who comes in your life doesn't like watching OTT and movies, but he likes other things like.
No, please.
No,
No,
ये
you have
important
to
है.
नहीं बहुत important है हमें. I'm not saying कि मेरा ही picture है
Yeah,
और
but you-
मेरी. But I mean, bro,
Sit
you
and
can
watch.
have your own discussions like sports and cricket and all of that. But if you don't like entertainment, then there's something wrong with you.
Yeah, right. You're noticing that he goes and likes every post of his ex.
Please.
Sorry. Yeah, that's subject. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. When you all take pictures, mostly he's taking selfies of himself. Okay.
I think ठीक है.
ठीक है.
I'm good with it.
Now you're adjusting too much. I
No,
think. Yeah.
red flag.
Yeah.
Red flag.
Will you allow him to sit and critique your performance, or do you want
Of course. Listen, I don't want a yes man around.
Haan.
I want him to be
Haan.
extremely honest and
Haan.
give me a reality check that you know what, you were pathetic.
Hmm.
Or you know what, I want somebody to give me a reality. Hi, I'm Mahima Makwana and you're watching this interview on Bollywood Hungama.
We still have red flag and green flag to play.
Oh, of course.
So we will do that.
Red flag and green flag. मुझे इतना पता है कि मैं तो green forest हूँ भाई.
Yeah, you
मुझे
तो-
बहुत green
yeah.
forest बोला जा रहा है. मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है.
Right.
Preeti, green forest, team Preeti.
Team
I love
Preeti,
it.
yeah.
Guys, I love it. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep the love coming.
Right.
Even if you don't use this, just keep the love coming. Yes.
A guy who comes into your life, but he's not seen Musafir Cafe.
Bro, I mean, come on. ये क्या बात हुई? You have to see everything that I've done.
Everything.
No, that's self-obsession.
ठीक है.
But Musafir देख ले यार.
Yeah, that's.
देखो, you'll fall in love with me. I guarantee you.
Right. Tell me about all the three characters. Red flag कौन था, green flag कौन था? कि
सारे
सभी-
grey flag थे.
सारे grey.
grey flags थे. And you know what? This is
हाँ,
not a safe answer.
Superb. Yeah.
Because
Smart.
हर
हमारे पास grey flag है ही नहीं.
grey flag. I think I'll put both the
Okay,
flags
हाँ.
and I'll tell you why because हर कोई चाहे वो सुधा हो, चंदर हो, प्रीति हो, सब अपनी जगह पर सही है. ये तो situations है
हाँ, life
जिन्होंने उनसे जो करवाया जो वो
हाँ.
कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
But jokes apart, I think the reason the show has connected with so many people is because all of these guys are messy and they are complex because
Yeah.
humans are complex
yeah.
and which is why people have been able to relate to them so much because sometimes it's the timing that
हाँ.
doesn't work for you and sometimes you think that this relationship is a matter of life and death but it's actually not and you only realize it with age and time. To answer your question, all three characters are super great.
Super great. Okay. The guy the guy who comes in your life doesn't like watching OTT and movies, but he likes other things like.
No, please.
No,
ये
ये
you have
important
to
है.
नहीं बहुत important है हमें. I'm not saying कि मेरा ही picture है
Yeah,
और
but you-
मेरी. But I mean, bro,
Sit
you
and
can
watch.
have your own discussions like sports and cricket and all of that. But if you don't like entertainment, then there's something wrong with you.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Doesn't reply for 3-4 days at a stretch.
3-4 days? What? Where is this guy? Some under the rock or what? No, bhai. I mean,
Yeah.
so okay. If you tell me, if I've been given a heads up that you know
Okay.
what, I'm going on a solo trip. I'm going to be by myself. You do you.
Right.
तब ठीक है. Some information has to come my way. ये क्या बात हुई 10 दिन गायब?
Correct.
नहीं, please.
You're noticing that he goes and likes every post of his ex.
Please.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's subject. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. When you all sit and come to GG for dinner or any place, doesn't let you eat because he's clicking everything perfectly.
I mean,
Food influencer.
It's okay. ठीक है.
चलेगा, ठीक
I'm
है.
also going to let him be ना. मैं
हाँ.
इतनी controlling हो जाऊंगी तो कोई रह ही नहीं पाएगा.
Yeah, that's
ठीक है, you do you. But make sure that you also let me eat. खाना
Correct,
ठंडा ना
हाँ,
हो जाए.
Correct. Takes most when you all take pictures, mostly he's taking selfies of himself. Okay.
But I think ठीक है.
ठीक है.
I'm good with
Now
it.
you're adjusting too much. I
No,
think. Yeah.
red flag.
Yeah.
Red flag.
Right. And also.
No, he has to take pictures of me.
Exactly. That's,
Please,
I was
hello.
saying hello. Yeah.
No,
He's
you have to
with
make
you.
sure,
Yeah.
and I don't even have to tell you about it.
Hmm.
If I have just walked in front of you, your camera
ये
has to be
कोई-
ready
ये कोई
to
बताने
take
वाली
such
बात है.
candid pictures. Come on. Huh.
Looking for a pap, I think.
No, I love it. No, I
Right.
just want somebody to capture me in my
Okay.
beautiful moments.
Yeah,
Just to
correct.
put it in the best way.
Right. Okay. Doesn't like traveling. Likes, yeah, कि यार तू जा जहाँ जाना है, मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ और मैं ऑफिस जाऊँगा, काम करूँगा.
नहीं यार.
Travel is important.
नहीं, I mean, it's not like you have to always tag along with me. That is also important, but you have to travel.
Yeah.
I mean, I think there is so much more to life, and this is not for me. It's also for him. There's so much that traveling will add to you, your
Correct.
personality, your intellect, and don't travel for a reason, but just travel for yourself.
For yourself, 100%.
So sorry,
Right.
bhai.
He's so today's generation that every happy birthday or whatever important message he sends you is fully correct because it's from ChatGPT.
No, yaar. Please, you call me. You send me a voice
हाँ.
note. It doesn't have to be perfect, but don't use ChatGPT to express your love.
Yeah.
Please.
Right.
हर चीज ChatGPT करती है क्या?
Right. Morning person है.
Oh, lovely. I'm a morning
You are a
person
morning
too.
person.
Yeah. I wake up at 7:30, so I love it. I go to bed at 11
Okay.
and I wake up at 7:30.
That
I would love
brings-
for him to be a morning person.
That brings me to a good question. What is your plan? What is your day like? You wake up at 7:30 and
I wake up at 7:30. I have my chai. It's the worst thing that you can do to yourself, which is having chai right after you wake up. But some
we
things you
all
do for
that,
yourself.
yeah.
ठीक है तो
Soul.
yeah. कुछ चीजें आप soul के लिए करते हो, but they're not good for you.
हाँ.
So chai, I will just look outside of my window. Then I will hit the gym. This is on one of the days when I'm not working and
shooting.
I'm at home.
Correct.
Then I will probably read a book, do nothing, be on Instagram, make my own meals because obviously when I'm on a diet, I like to prepare my own food. Have lunch with mom, and it's just a simple day. It's just a simple wind out kind of a day where I'm just watching TV, reading, or just doing nothing, or calling people, or just sleeping. It could be it's a very normal, simple day for me.
He's always running late. Movie ke liye, like movie has started and yeah.
Sorry, ये नहीं चलेगा.
Yeah. For movies, are you like? Do you make sure you go at the start or?
I'm such a hypocrite. No, I would like to believe. No, let me give you a number.
Okay, हाँ.
4 out of 10 times I have reached late, but.
फिर why are you looking at red flag for
No,
someone
I'm
else?
improving. Guys, I promise I'm improving and my
हाँ.
friends will attest to that.
हाँ.
I'm getting better with reaching for movie on time, and I hate to be late, but I'm like 10 minutes late. That's not that bad.
That's not bad. Yeah.
Ha, yeah.
No, I'm 10 minutes early, so I can say that's bad. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
On it, Rohit.
Right. Travels, but everything has to be planned. There's nothing to explore.
Nothing, no room for spontaneity.
Yeah, nothing. कि ये कैफे दिख गया चाहते हैं नहीं. हमने वो कैफे we looked up. It's a 5-star cafe. We'll go there
No,
only.
I think this person is being slightly overwhelming and over controlling because it's a two-way street.
Correct.
So I think it's a grey flag.
Okay, ठीक
I
है.
think it's something which can be improved with a
Yeah,
dialogue.
you can change
कि भाई,
this.
50% we will do your thing, 50% we'll also keep in a mix of what I want to do.
And what about someone who doesn't want to do any research कि चलो चलते हैं कुछ प्लान नहीं है like वहाँ जाके क्या करेंगे कार्ड ही अरेंज नहीं कुछ नहीं no plan just land and
नहीं I think some
Some
planning is
plan.
very important.
हाँ.
Please कितने red flags दे रही हूँ मैं? Guys, I'm not
मैं
perfect.
question ही ऐसे दे रहा हूँ to be honest.
नहीं, but
हाँ.
red flag because I think some planning has to be in place.
Okay.
Imagine if I turn up at the airport and there's no car.
Yeah, correct,
मैं
yeah.
तो भड़क जाऊंगी इस पे हाँ ट्रिप शुरू होते ही मैं तो बहुत
Yeah,
I'll get damn angry.
correct.
But again, I
हाँ.
also don't want him to plan
Hmm.
everything for me.
Correct,
I also
okay.
want to be a part of the plan as much as I would like to make you believe that I do it. Generally, all my plans are planned by my friends.
Okay.
I don't like to plan.
Okay.
I'm like this. I'm not a passenger princess,
हाँ.
but I'm like भाई तुम लेके चलो
लेके, हाँ,
अभी मुझे बताओ क्या करना है.
Nice.
But I would like to plan a little bit.
Correct.
So there's something that I want to change about myself too.
Got it. In the previous interview, you told me you're a mountain person.
I am.
And what if he's a beach person and it's your anniversary? What is the middle ground here? क्या करोगे आप लोग?
We'll, I think, find a middle ground. I'll go explore the beaches.
Oh, nice.
I'm also
You're-
not going to be stringent कि नहीं मेरे को mountain पसंद है तो मैं mountain ही जाऊंगी. I think sometimes you also have to let people be.
Right.
But if it's a really bad idea, then
Right.
Yeah.
Can you will you allow him to sit and critique your performance, or do you want
of course. Listen, I don't want a yes man around. I want him to be extremely honest and give me a reality check that you know what, you were pathetic, or you know what. I want somebody to give me a reality check.
Correct. Okay.
I anyway don't have yes men around me.
Nice.
I don't like
You
those
don't
kind
like.
of people around me. I think I've surrounded myself with real honest people,
Yeah.
and I'd like to have a partner who is a
Yeah.
friend first.
Right.
And if he's a friend, then he would be honest.
Correct. That's
Yeah,
that's true.
yeah.
Now, lastly, you tell me what is a red flag in a guy and what is a green flag in a guy.
Somebody who's not emotionally available is a red flag. Somebody obviously is emotionally available,
Is a
green
green
flag. Somebody who, I think this is pretty obvious, but those little lies that you keep that you put up with in a relationship. I think कुछ झूठ ऐसे होते हैं जिससे आपका relationship आगे बढ़ रहा है. I think that I don't want to call it a manipulation, but that balance, that adjustment is okay. But if that's harming the relationship, and if you're not a friend, I think being a friend
Is
and having
most important.
friendship is a big green flag.
Yeah.
And I think it's extremely important. Not want to communicate at all. I understand if you want space, because I'm also the kind to want space.
Okay.
I don't like to hound my life with my relationship. But I think a good balance of when to give space and when to have a conversation.
Nice.
What else?
Communication is amazing. Very important.
Very
Yeah.
important. Trust. Trust,
is a big
very
thing,
very
yeah.
important, and I think that comes with time. Yeah. Give me some more ideas ना, क्या हो सकता है?
Great.
Communication, trust, और क्या मेरे इतने
Just know, like
I think somebody who respects
yeah, my God.
somebody who respects me and my
mutual
family,
respect
it's a
family, yeah.
non-negotiable.
Correct. Yeah.
If you're disrespectful to people who are below you in terms of stature,
Yeah.
that bro,
Super.
not
That's
happening.
that's a
Not
great
happening. If you can't respect people, if you can't be kind,
info. Yeah.
it's a red flag.
Super.
Yeah. And I think honesty is something that I seek for in
Nice.
a relationship, because I am somebody who's overly honest, and I expect the same. And yeah, I think somebody who just supports you and who's just there for
Career,
you.
yeah, career,
Yeah.
your career, and pushes
Yeah.
you and adds to your.
Yeah. And I
adds
think
to that. Yeah.
yes, and if you're not being able to be yourself in a relationship, it's a red flag.
Correct.
बहुत सारे बोल दिए ना
बहुत सारे
मैंने.
बोल दिए. Super. Thank you so much for this, and
you.
can't wait for your next release. And I really hope you get as much love once again.
Thank
and
you.
you keep getting it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you for having my back.
Always.
Hi, I'm Mahima Makwana, and you're watching this interview on Bollywood Hungama.